Next, we're going to end up picking up the pump. There's a 2000 pump. I'll take the pump out of the package. It'll be wrapped inside your pump box. You should have alligator clips. So then you have a black and a brown thing. You should have right there, connect to red, positive only. And you got your negative. There we go. Alright, proper way to put these on here is to grab this, slide this over there first is what you're doing. And then you're putting this up into here is what you do. A lot of people will do is you can just pinch that right in there like that. Or you can end up pulling it over. So we're just going to put that in there like this. Pinch that in there like that. And you can slide this right over the top. There you go. You got a positive. Go. And you end up hooking the end of the pump. Right on there, like that. It's on there nice and tight. And if you need a clamp to put on that or silicone, you can put that right over that and clamp that right on. And you hook it. And if you do want to have we have these what you call inverters. This is a DeWalt inverter, DW, which we have in Milwaukee and Makita. You could end up using this. And so what you could end up doing is hooking this up either with your clips or connecting this directly to the wires here. And you can use your DeWalt motor directly to hook onto this is what you can do. All right. So now you got it all set up, hooked up. We just hook up the pump and we're all ready to go.
Thanks for watching, y'all. See you next time.